G'day everyone. We've been really enjoying our homemade yoghurt. And I think it's time we did something a little bit extra with those yoghurt makers. We also made cheddar cheese. Don't know what that's going to be like. It's got to sit in my cheese cave for quite some time. If you want to see how I made the cheese cave, another link up there. So to get more out of our yoghurt makers, I'm going to take some of this, which is milk, obviously, mix it with some of this, and make cottage cheese. So how do we do it? Well, the really easy bit is we get a litre of milk, we put it into our container, we add 50 to 60 ml of lemon juice to curdle it, and we put it in the yoghurt maker. So let's go over and have a look at how it's going. So here it is here. I'm making my normal Greek yoghurt in the LD one, and my Davis and Waddle I've just set up with milk and lemon juice, and we can see it's starting to curdle in there. I'll just get a spoon and we'll have a look. This goes on to the normal 10-hour timer, and there we go, nicely curdled. You can see it all lumpy and glug, like off milk. That's what it is really, off milk. Got a lot more to do to it, and we'll go through the steps once it's been through its 10-hour sequence. Shall return. So we've poured it into the filter. We've left it in the fridge for quite a long time, 6 hours to drain, and now it should be ready. So if we take the lid off, I'm not sure this has worked. Smells like milk, but if you come in and have a look, what we've ended up with is basically curdled milk, but it's quite runny and there's not a lot of it. So we'll scoop it into here. Get the flexi spatch on it. Well, I might not, because I'm not sure it's going to be any good. And if we look at the whey that's meant to come out, it's almost like milk. My guess is I've used long-term storage type lemon juice, not fresh lemon juice, because it's not lemon season. And that hasn't been acidic enough to make this work properly. But we'll have a taste. It should be more lumpy than that. I'm not going to keep that. It doesn't taste like anything. It's got a funny sort of taste, lemony taste. No, no good. This one is a failure. Sorry, you can't have it either because you're lactose intolerant. Yeah, we're not going to keep it. This is a big thumbs down from me. Blech. So I think this is the felon in this deal. We've used lemon juice from a bottle, and it says it's 99.9% lemon juice. You can't have it. You're lactose intolerant. So I think this is the culprit. This has got too much of a lemony taste to it. It's watery. What taste there is isn't that great. So, no, failure. Have you got a cottage cheese recipe using one of these yoghurt makers? Because it hasn't worked for me. If you've got any hints or way to do it better, please let me know in the comments. So like, subscribe, enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the garden.